Welcome to my video making a water molecule with a 3D printer. I am showing off the work of my 15-year-old grandson, Elijah. Before I get into showing the 3D model, I'll talk a little bit about a water molecule. And a water molecule is made of two hydrogen atoms bonded to one oxygen atom, giving it the formula H2O. The molecule is not straight. It has a bent shape with a bond angle of 104.5 degrees. The atoms are held together by covalent bonds, meaning they share electrons. However, oxygen pulls the shared electrons more strongly. This makes the molecule polar, which is slightly negative end near the oxygen and slightly positive ends near the hydrogens. Water's simple structure gives it remarkable properties. Because the water is polar, water molecules attract one another through hydrogen bonding. These attractions create strong surface tension and allow water to dissolve more substances, making it an excellent solvent. Water also has a high specific heat, meaning it can absorb large amounts of energy without changing temperature quickly. These unique properties are why water plays such a critical role in supporting human life on Earth. This is the Bambu Labs A1 mini 3D printer used to make the model of the water molecule. This is Elijah using the Maker World software to design the water molecule to input it into the 3D printer. The 3D printer is starting to build the base of the model. The printer is putting the final touches on the model. The process of making the model of water molecule took around 1 hour time on the printer. This is Elijah showing off the final product, a model of a water molecule with one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms with a 104.5 degree angle between them. I want to give a special thanks to my grandson Elijah for making the model of water molecule for me, and I want to thank you for watching.